Just ahead of the festive season, e-commerce giants gear up for intense competition and fresh offerings. Amazon India's Vice President Manish Tiwari joins us for an interaction on all this and more. Thank you for joining us. I'd like to begin by asking you, what are your goals for the festive season in 2021?
Sakshi, thank you for having me. I think there are two goals we have for this season, which are driven by what's happening around us. The first, to get more and more of our sellers, the 850,000 sellers who sell on us, to be successful. And our focus this year especially is on the offline stores, the small stores. We have close to 75,000 which would be participating in the sale. So that's a very, very clear goal, to get more and more sellers to succeed. And second, of course, as usual, to make sure that we meet all customer demands, but more importantly, do it in a very safe manner this Diwali.
Right. We last spoke about the impact of the pandemic. Today, I'd like to ask you how consumer choices have changed across regions in the country now.
Yes, actually, I think the trends we had discussed last time continue to accelerate, and that shows up in some of the things we are doing. As you're aware, we just launched Amazon.in now in Marathi and Bengali also. So now you have consumers can shop on 8 languages. And that just goes to show what's happening. We are getting close to 80% of our new customers from smaller towns. So the habit of shopping online is getting accelerated. And we are enabling that for our new customers to come online using languages.
All right. Some of Amazon's hiring trends, though, are believed to, sort of move in accordance with seasonal demand only. Could you then explain the extent of sustained employment in an e-commerce giant like yours?
Yeah, I think, Sakshi, for seasonal hiring, we are onboarding. We've already onboarded 110,000 people for this Diwali. Mm-hmm. And if you look at the period of the pandemic, both direct and indirect, we actually had close to 300,000 people working for the marketplace. So this just reflects in terms of what's happening in the market. And we see this trend which will keep on accelerating. We also now, Amazon as an employer has 100,000 direct employees in this country.
All right. The brick and mortar segment of retail and some trade bodies have been concerned about the functionality of e-commerce majors. Of course, new rules also in consideration. How would you respond to all this and the sentiment of traders?
I am focused on our customers and our sellers, and I do want to share with you and your viewers. We are seeing a very high level of interest from small stores and offline retailers, especially over the last few last couple of years. So just to give you a flavor, in February 2020, just before pandemic hit, we started a program for local shops on Amazon. Yeah. In the last 18 odd months, we now have 75,000 stores which sell online. Yeah. Almost every large retailer sells online, be it fashion, be it electronics. So we see a very, very high level of interest from retailers, not only to serve their customers offline, but also to use the opportunity to serve more customers online. So I am personally very enthusiastic. And if you look at any study, there is a study done by NASSCOM, which says that the retail market in India could double in the next decade. And close to 70% of that incremental business would come from models which are omni-channel, which is online plus offline. So I personally think that given what we are seeing, all of us should leverage technology so that we can serve more and more customers. And that's what we are trying to do in India.
Right. What is Amazon's response to recent allegations of bribery by some of its legal representatives in India?
Sakshi, I think, as a company, we have zero tolerance for corruption. And we take allegations of improper actions very, very seriously. We investigate them fully and take appropriate action. So we're not commenting on specific allegations or the status of any investigation at this time. But like I said, zero tolerance, and we take these actions very, very seriously.
All right. What should everyone look forward to from Amazon by 2025, for instance?
We've set a vision for ourselves to digitize 10 million MSMEs, to give employment to 1 million incremental direct and indirect, and of course, an export target of $10 billion by 2025. And we've added something which is to onboard 1 million stores onto our local shops on Amazon program. So we continue to be very focused on that.
Okay, and taking it forward from there, finally, what about the number of jobs by 2025?
By 2025, the incremental million, which is another 10 lakhs, would make it 20 lakh people in India who would be working across the ecosystem of Amazon. Yeah, a lot of them would obviously be indirect with our sellers, manufacturers. But by 2025, we hope to get 20 lakh people in this country engaged with Amazon.
All right. Thank you so much for this interaction.